Let's explore the word zinc and its meanings.
Sure, what does it mean?
Zinc has a few uses. It's a noun, referring to a bluish-white metallic element. It's used in making alloys like brass, in galvanizing metals to prevent rust, and as a dietary mineral for the human body. It can also be used as a verb, less common, meaning to coat something with zinc for protection, a process called galvanization.
Oh, so it's a metal that's useful in various ways?
Exactly. Let me explain it better with a quick story. Imagine you're working in a metal workshop. One day, the boss explains that a steel pipe needs to be coated with zinc to prevent it from rusting. The process involves dipping the steel in molten zinc, a method called galvanizing. Now, on a different day, you're eating breakfast and notice the cereal box says, "Fortified with zinc." Zinc is also a mineral essential for your health. It helps your immune system and metabolism function properly. So, zinc is not just a metal but also a nutrient we need in our daily diet. Let's see how zinc can be used in sentences. Zinc is used to coat steel to protect it from rusting. This explains its use in industrial processes. The doctor recommended a multivitamin containing zinc for better immunity. This highlights its role as an essential dietary nutrient. The pipes were zinc-coated to ensure durability in outdoor conditions. Here, zinc is used as a verb describing the galvanizing process. Zinc is a key component in batteries used in remote controls. This shows another practical application of zinc in everyday items.
Zinc is both a useful metal for protection and an essential nutrient?
That's right. It's an element with diverse applications, from industry to health.
I'll definitely keep an eye out for zinc now, whether in food or metalwork.
Great! It's a word with practical value in so many areas of life.